Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and today's video we will learn about this starter motor. I dismantled this starter motor from the Caterpillar genset. The genset is not starting, so I observed that this solenoid has the problem. So I am going to remove this solenoid and will check what is the problem to this solenoid. Please be with me. We will together will remove it and check. वो सारा अंदर से निकालना पड़ेगा। So as you can see, I have dismantled this solenoids, and these poles are become damaged due to sparking, and also this plate. Okay, the main function of this plate. So this will also become dirty due to sparking. So I will clean all these things and fix it back, and will check my starter is become functioning or not. Okay, so please with me. I will clean it and then fix it. So as you can see, I have cleaned this plate, and also these two pole I have cleaned it very well. So with this by using this sandpaper. So these are going a little down, okay, but I will check first. I fix this solenoid in the starter motor and check if my starter motor is working. Then I fix my starter motor to the generator. So I have cleaned it. Now I fixing it back. So yes, now I'm going to fix back this solenoid to the starter motor, and after fixing it I will test it. So please be with me. You can say we have made the connections. Now we're going to test. थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा इधर करो, इधर इधर नजर आया सही है। हाँ So as you can say, I have bring back my starter motor to the genset. Now I'm going to fix it here, okay, because I have cleaned my solenoid. So I'm going to fix back the starter motor here. Okay. So after fixing the starter motor, I will start my genset. Okay, so you can see we are fixing the starter motor here. After fixing it, I will make the connections, electrical connection. So be with me. After fixing all these things back, I will start my genset and show you my starter is working or not. As you can say, I have fixed my starter and I have tied all the bolts. Now I am making the electrical connections. After making the electrical connections, I will start the genset. So here is now I'm going to start the generator. We have fixed everything is okay. Start. Okay. Now is our problem finished. You can say our generator started. So problem was the solenoid. Now we have finished that one. So our battery is charging. 5.6 bar RPM. Everything is okay. Okay, no problem is solved.